Hey guys, we got this cookie scoop up for test and try. So they comes in the pack of three with the three different volumes that you can take, and it's a cookie scoop set or the ice cream scoop with the trigger, and the cookie scoop for the baking set. So it's like a 2.7 ounce, 2 ounce, and the 1.25 ounce. So three different sizes with a stainless steel versatile tool. So you can see this one is really nice. Because of like the quality of the product, easily you can transition. You can see like this small iron thing rotating around, so that helps in taking out the stuff from the box, and it don't stick on the scoop. So like the purple one I think is 8.2 inches and 1.25 ounce, where the blue one is 2.7 ounce and 2.3 inch. Material wise, I don't see any issue. Operating this handle is not an issue as well. It's really smooth, and I can easily go it with the one hand. And the metal part is also moving nicely inside, so that will not stick anything on the scoop itself. And the yellow one is around 2 ounce or 2.1 inches,